Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a failure to download or apply critical settings. Please check your internet connection error, info http error, TLS verification fail while opening Roblox game in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type date and time settings. Click on open it. You just need to turn off set time automatically. Just turn it off, and after that set the date and time manually. Click on this change option, and you just need to select your date and time correctly. After selecting it, you just need to select change option, and now you can open the Roblox without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.